Wairarapa TV local news for Wednesday the 14th of December. Speeding in Wairarapa is up 6.2% for the first week of December, according to figures released by Paymark. A total of $10.9 million was spent through the Paymark network in the first 7 days of December in the region. Priorities for the Marsden and Trust Lands Trust education funding until 2019 have been confirmed, following a review of past funding and consultation with the education community over the last year. The first of these is funding for early development of children aged 0 to 5 to strengthen their foundation of learning. Professional development for teachers, service and resource coordination and engagement of specialists will address readiness of children starting early, including literacy, social development and support for families. Others include high-quality future teaching, learning and assessments, with Chairperson Leanne Southey saying that the Trust was ultimately working towards strong partnerships with other organisations to achieve a unified approach to support education, wellbeing and the economic development in the region. And in sport, Lansdowne will play the winner of Saturday's Umpires Cup clash between Greytown and Rathgill College in what should be an exciting match. Rathgill have surprised a few this year with some top performances. The winner of Saturday's clash will play the Umpires Cup final Sunday against Lansdowne. For Wairarapa TV News and Sport, I'm Brent Gare.